Hi everybody, it's Bubbles and today we are going to be doing the paperclip challenge. Yes. First we're going to be doing all these. First is the thoughts and the dreams because I'm trying to get a halo. Because I've never had a halo. I've been in Rural High since it came out, and I still haven't got one. Ever since Earth came out. But actually, I've been here way before Earth came out, and I still haven't got a halo, my dream item. Rip. I'm just hovering. I'm going like wee. So this is not a really new. This is not a new channel. Oh, this is actually a pretty old one. But I am working on trying to become a successful YouTuber. You might recognize me from my channel though. If some of you watched Bubbles Coffee channel, you might recognize me. So, we're going to go to a video. We're going to this video. Pausing it. Now we go down here. And now we press D. We go D. Running tag thingy is D. That's correct. Do not assume things are free. Now we are going to go to Earth. No, we are not going to be going to the train hub. We're going to be going to no. I keep messing up. We're going to spin the wheel. And then we're going to train hub. I don't really care about the login streak, so don't even really care about the computer login streak because it's just diamonds. Ooh, I had those. I wasn't kidding when I said that I have almost everything. I never even said that. I meant, I'm not kidding when I played this game for a long time. Oh, I got death 2 times in a row. 2 times in a row. That sucks. And so we're going to be making an avatar now. So we're going to get rid of all this and we're going to be looking for an outfit to wear. Also, we need some new hair that's actually really cute. It's really hard for me to pick out cute hair because I honestly don't like any of them. I'm not hating though. They're actually pretty cute. Some of them are pretty cute. It's just, and I don't even know what's wrong with me. Just picky, I guess. Okay, yes, I was being picky, but you shouldn't be picky because this Barbie is just working so hard on this game. She made it for all of us to be entertained, not for us to say that we don't like the game. Well, the hairstyles that she is trying to make. I personally love this game. This game is just my childhood. I'm still a child, but this game is like my childhood, technically. Because when the game first came out, I wasn't really interested in it. But when I started playing in it, but I still played it. So when I started playing it, I actually started getting addicted to the game. And that's why I'm here now. This game is just it's just so beautiful. I just honestly love it. Anyways, we are going to be going to the trading hub now, and we're going to be doing the PaperClip challenge. Let me show you what the first item is. The first item is the spring horns. And we'll go from there on. I honestly don't like the spring horns. They're cute, but I don't really like them. They're just okay. I like spring and flowers, but the spring horns aren't the spring horns a little much? I mean, they are cute, and they sometimes look good with outfits, but if you're like role-playing as a monster, as a nice monster, then they're perfect. But when you're actually making an outfit, it's just doesn't go really well with your outfit choice. But of course, that's just my opinion. Okay, I made a little question for myself. And we're also going to be doing a Q&A, which means I'm going to be answering every single comment you guys comment. So, here's the comment I made for myself. If I had enough Robux, I would spend. If I had Robux, I would spend it all on this game. Yes, I would spend it all on this game. This game is just amazing. But the first thing in this game I spend my Robux on is on the diamond shop. Okay, hold on. If I had that much, I would buy that much. Honestly, I would. I did get 100k once, but I ended up spending it because nobody wanted it for a parasol. You guys could have. Well, I mean, you guys probably were like, I could have gotten the parasol if I just was a little bit more patient. But the thing is, I've actually been trying for a month now. Oh, I had those things for a month. I had that much diamonds for a month. Never actually got the parasol. So I was just fed up. I didn't have my patience anymore, so I just was like, screw it. Also, guys, the things are back now. The twin things are back. Honestly, I was waiting for those to get back. I really want this mermaid royalty. It's just so beautiful. Okay, so we're going to be trading somebody random. Let's trade her. Trade request sent. So, actually, I didn't look at it good enough. It's actually really beautiful. What? You need what? 2,000 diamonds in fuzzy earmuffs and nightmare with chat and mini love wings? Actually, this isn't that bad. If this is an offer. Ow. So she's trying to say she needs the horns. So this is a win for me, because I don't honestly like these horns. So here you go. Oh, now let's try to trade the items. Let me trade her. And yes, that her username is true. Black lives do matter. If you guys thinking I said that really meanly, that was I meant to say sorry, that was a mistake. Oh, I honestly don't like the mini skirt, and I already have that kind of skirt. But this is, and I also have that. The mini skirt is actually pretty cute, but I honestly don't like it. It's just, it never goes well with my outfits. So I'm going to be making a part 2 on this, which is the next one. And let's try somebody else. We're not going to be trying the one with the halo, because honestly, nah. I honestly am looking for a halo, but I tried offering for her teddy and she said nope. That's sad. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be making a part 2 on this. I'll be right